If you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, follow us on social media, and we'll update you on a daily basis with the incoming vehicles that we have. We're adding 50 to 70 vehicles per week on our website. We are the premier repairable and salvage car dealer in the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Chevy Silverado 3.0 diesel Duramax. As you can see, the engine compartment is clean, only 18,000 miles. The vehicle does start and drive. I'll show you the damage in a second. Front end is not damaged at all. Do a quick walk around. Has some collision damage on the right rear. Running boards. This is the only damage to the vehicle here. It'll replace the right rear door. There's a little paint work here that needs to be done. The rocker panel needs some repair. I don't think you have to replace it, but if you do, it's probably just the outer skin. Door definitely needs to be replaced. You have a little damage to the cab right here. This is it. The bedside needs some repair. You definitely don't have to replace it. You can fix this. We don't see any indicators of frame damage anywhere on this vehicle. This is not a 4x4, it's a rear-wheel drive. This side's clean. Take a look inside. Selling this with a salvage title. You have power seats here. No airbags are deployed. Nice interior, low miles, excellent work truck. If you're a contractor, plumber, landscaper, whatever you're into. Let's take a look at the roof. I don't think there's any damage. Nope, no buckles, no roof damage. Body lines are straight on the left side. As you can see, there's no gaps here or even back here, which is an indication of there's no frame damage. It'll be on our website soon. Call us if there's any interest. Thanks for watching.